The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, initiated a consultation on regulating over-the-top (OTT) services in response to telecom companies' concerns about revenue loss due to free OTT services. Telecom firms argued that OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime should share bandwidth costs. However, experts refute this, stating telecoms provide access, while consumers pay for it and OTT platforms invest in content delivery networks. Such demands threaten net neutrality, as they imply double charging consumers and content providers. Net neutrality, crucial for an open internet, led to TRAI's regulations in 2016, shaping a fair digital environment promoting innovation and consumer welfare, especially in India's digital landscape.
The article discusses Israel's security policy collapse following a retaliatory attack by Gaza on 7 October 2023. Israel's strategy, based on periodic military campaigns into Gaza, lacked a political plan and focused on managing, not solving, the Palestinian resistance issue. The author warns against India's similar approach towards Pakistan, emphasizing the need for a political process alongside military strategies. Ignoring politics invites adversaries to persist, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. The article emphasizes the importance of addressing political interests and initiating dialogue to mitigate tensions and promote stability between India and Pakistan.
The upcoming elections in Indian states like Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram, Rajasthan, and Telangana are witnessing a common trend: last-minute defections of leaders from one party to another. In India, elections have become costly, leading parties, except the left, to select candidates based on their ability to mobilize resources rather than ideological convictions. This practice results in politicians driven more by patronage than principles, leading to party hopping and political malleability. The presence of careerist politicians, prioritizing transactions over ideology, is seen as a challenge for India's democratic system. The article suggests that unless voters penalize defectors, this trend is likely to persist.
The article highlights concerns about the noise pollution caused by firecrackers during festivals, especially Diwali, in India. While regulations exist, noise levels often exceed permissible limits, impacting public health. The logarithmic nature of decibels makes even small increases harmful. Haphazard development and cultural events contribute to excessive noise. Current regulations lack clarity and enforcement, leading to ineffective control. The article calls for stricter measures, preventing the production of violative firecrackers, improving public access to noise data, and setting noise mitigation targets, emphasizing the urgent need for addressing India's noise pollution as a public health crisis.
The increasing tension between India and Canada is causing anxiety among Indian students planning to study in Canada, which has become a sought-after destination. Canada is home to 1.3 million Indians, with a significant number on student visas. While Canadian universities assure students of safety, India's advisory urging caution adds to the uncertainty. Studying in Canada offers potential career opportunities and pathways to settlement, but a recent report indicates challenges in transitioning from international student to immigrant status. Housing shortages and job crisis further complicate the situation, leaving Indian students facing uncertainties as they pursue their dreams in Canada.
The power struggle within the Karnataka Congress Party between Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has resurfaced, causing uncertainty within the party. Both leaders have significant political influence, with Siddaramaiah appealing to minorities, backward classes, and Dalits, while Shivkumar has a strong hold on the Vokaliga community. Tensions have escalated due to differences in political backgrounds and ambitions. Efforts to balance power have been made, including proposals for appointing 3 more deputy chief ministers to ensure equal distribution of powers among castes. The ongoing power struggle poses challenges for the Congress party ahead of the general elections.
A study conducted by Lokniti Center for the Study of Developing Societies, CSDS, sheds light on the intense pressure faced by students studying in Kota, a city in India known for its numerous coaching centers. The study reveals that 85% of students spend 6 to 7 hours daily in coaching centers, with the duration often determined by the type of exam they are preparing for, such as G and NET. The rigorous schedule includes classes, frequent tests, and a continuous cycle of exams, leading to feelings of homesickness, stress, and discrimination. Many students resort to talking to their families or using social media to cope with the pressure. Living alone, adhering to a strict routine, and experiencing discrimination based on caste, economic status, and academic performance contribute to the challenging environment in Kota. The study highlights the significant lifestyle changes and stress faced by students in pursuit of academic success.
Non-BJP ruled states have accused their governors of unreasonably delaying the passage of crucial bills into law by neither assenting nor returning them. Tamil Nadu accused Governor R.N. Ravi of causing a constitutional deadlock, while Kerala stated that 8 proposed laws passed by its legislative assembly were pending for years. The Supreme Court intervened in Telangana's case, highlighting the issue of governors acting as a law unto themselves. The states have urged the court to interpret the phrase as soon as possible in Article 200 and fix a time limit for governors to assent or return bills.
Poland's recent parliamentary elections saw a resounding victory for the multi-party opposition coalition, marking the end of the ultra-conservative Law and Justice (PiS) party's 8-year rule. PiS had implemented controversial policies, including attempts to restrict abortion rights and curtail the rights of the LGBT community. The opposition, led by Donald Tusk, a pro-EU politician, aims to address the strained relations with the European Court of Justice and navigate the challenges created by PiS's policies. Tusk, a former EU Council president, is expected to play a crucial role in rebuilding Poland's relationship with the European Union.
An American cybersecurity company, ΦΡΕCrackers, reported that personally identifiable information, PII, of 815 million Indian citizens, including Aadhaar numbers and passport details, was being sold on the dark web. The data, verified as valid, included Aadhaar numbers issued by the Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI. Another threat actor claimed access to more extensive PII data, including voter IDs and driving license records. The source of the data leak remains unknown. India's government, while denying previous biometric data leaks, acknowledged the need for a transition to a more secure setup. The leak raises concerns about digital identity theft and cyber-enabled financial crimes. Users are advised to check if their information was leaked, be cautious of phishing emails, change passwords, implement two-factor authentication, and report suspicious activities.
The South Lohanak Lake in Sikkim, India, breached on 3 October, causing a glacial lake outburst flood, GLOF, that resulted in at least 42 deaths and 77 missing individuals. Scientists suggest that a slope failure occurred along the lake's left bank, creating an impulse wave that widened the lake's outlet, causing a partial breach. The lake remains a potential hazard, and continuous landslides have been reported in the area. The disaster also led to the dam failure of Sikkim's largest hydropower project, Teesta 3, and damage to other hydropower projects downstream. Climate change and glacier melt have contributed to the rapid expansion of the lake, weakening the permafrost and increasing the risk of GLOFs.